The magical unity of Willow Valley. In a vibrant little village called Willow Valley, there lived a group of animals who loved to play together. There was Benny the bunny, Lucy the llama, Freddie the fox, and Tilly the tortoise. Each had their own special talent, but they often found themselves in trouble when they tried to solve problems alone. One sunny morning, a big storm blew into the valley, uprooting trees and scattering their favorite toys everywhere. The animals gathered by the old oak tree, feeling sad and worried. "I can hop and look for the toys," offered Benny, twitching his nose. "I can run fast and help find them," chimed in Freddie, his tail wagging. "But I'm the slowest," said Tilly, looking down. "I won't be much help." Lucy thought for a moment. "What if we all work together? Each of us can do our part." "But how?" asked Benny, scratching his head. "Let's combine our strengths," Lucy suggested. "Benny, you can hop high to see the toys from above. Freddie, you can dash around and gather them up. Tilly, you can help us find the toys that are hidden under the bushes with your steady eyes, and I'll carry the toys back to the oak tree." The friends looked at each other, their spirits lifting. "Let's do it," they cheered. Benny hopped high into the air, scanning the ground from above. "I see a teddy bear by the big rock," he shouted. Freddie dashed off, quick as a flash. "Got it," he called out, bringing the teddy bear back to the oak tree. Meanwhile, Tilly used her keen eyesight to spot a colorful ball buried in the grass. "Over here," she called. Lucy smiled, happy to see her friends working together. For hours, they searched high and low, finding toys and treasure scattered throughout the valley. With each toy they recovered, their teamwork grew stronger. They laughed and cheered, feeling proud of what they could accomplish together. Finally, as the sun began to set, they had collected all their toys and set them in a neat pile under the old oak tree. "We did it," they exclaimed, their hearts filled with joy. Tilly smiled, her eyes shining. "I guess being slow isn't a problem when we all help each other." "That's right," said Lucy. "When we unite our strengths, we can do anything." From that day on, the animals of Willow Valley always remembered the magic of teamwork. Whenever a challenge arose, they would gather together, knowing that united, they were truly strong. And so, in the heart of Willow Valley, friendship blossomed, teaching everyone that together, they could conquer any storm. The end.